Hello everyone, welcome to Hima Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to provide most important 2 marks, 4 marks and 7 marks questions in matrices. Okay, these questions are very important for the upcoming public examinations. And in this chapter, we will get 2 marks, 1 4 marks and 2 7 marks. Okay, that means you can score total 22 marks from this chapter. Okay, now we will see most important 2 marks questions. These are the most important 2 marks questions. Now we will see most important 4 marks questions in matrices. Now we will see most important 7 marks questions in matrices. Okay. That's for the class. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Hima Tutorials. Thank you.